Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be exploring some counting rules that will help you whenever you are counting objects. Are you all set to get started? Let's dive in. Rule number 1. Place all objects in a line. Rule number 2. Touch each object as you count. Rule number 3. Count slowly. The last number that you say tells you how many you have altogether. Let's check to find out if little Ethan used the counting rules.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Did he place his objects in a line? Did he touch each one? Did he count them slowly? Do not forget to use the counting rules the next time you count a set of objects. Thanks for watching. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more content and we'll see you again soon. Take care.